I'm wet. You want something to eat?
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Whoa. I ain't sure what HD is, but the doctor just called and said I got 80 of them bitches. Woo!
Where the hell did he put those treats? I could have sworn there was...
What the... Tim? It's 3:30. You're supposed to be at work. I'm just being a normal dog.
Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? Alright. We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
One of my dogs stole an edible. Can you guess which?
Because I got high.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I grew a Siberian